Quadratic equations is a very important topic from 9th standard to 12th standard. Solving quadratic equations is very essential in solving very big sums, even the sums that are coming in engineering mathematics. While solving the quadratic equations, many students struggle a lot in order to factorize the proper factors. In this video, I will be teaching you an excellent shortcut method in order to solve the quadratic equations very efficiently and in a fast manner. Let's jump into the video. To solve a quadratic equation, there are three methods. Number one method is called the factorization method, which I will be calling as splitting method. Number two is completing square method. And number three is the formula method. Formula method is simply given by the discriminant rule, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In solving the quadratic equations, many students directly, without even analyzing the question, directly they jump into the formula method and try to solve the question. What is the disadvantage of doing the formula method is that the b square minus 4ac term may be very difficult to calculate and it will drink up a lot of your time. So my suggestion is to use the splitting method or the factorization method unless and until they ask in the question to use the formula method, or for some questions that you cannot do by the splitting method. The splitting method is very easy for small number of values, but if they give some very large numbers, the splitting method becomes difficult where the students struggle a lot. So in this video, I will be teaching you a shortcut method which will be solving all your problems, and you can use the splitting method for almost 90% of the questions. Let us say they gave the question, solve the equation 4x square plus 5x minus 854 is equal to 0. The first step is to write, when we add, we need to get this term 5. When we multiply, we need to get 4 into minus 854. Do not multiply 4 into 854. I will tell you an easy method. So take 4 into 854 and we need to split 4 into 854 into two factors such a way that they sum to 5. Now, factorize 854 by using prime factorization method. 854 2 times 427, 7 times 61, and yes, 61 is a prime number. I can write 4 into 854 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 61. Now, by trial and error method, you take these two or these things and you check whether they will be summing up to 5. Since it has a negative number, this should be a subtraction and not an addition. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 7 into 2 into 14 into 61 is a very large number which will not add up to give 5. So that is ruled out. Next, we go for 2 into 2 into 2 and 7 into 61. That is 8 into 7 into 61. 7 into 61 is 427. 427 and 8. No, you cannot go. Next, I am selecting 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Which means 7 into 8, that is 56, and this is 61. Yes. Now you see 56 minus 61 minus 56 is going to be 5. Yes, we got the factors and you can directly simplify it using the normal method. So the equation becomes 4x square. So the equation becomes 4x square plus 61x minus 56x minus 854. Equal to 0. From here you can take x common, 4x plus 61, then 4x plus 61. You can write minus 14 times, x minus 14 into 4x plus 61, and yeah, x is equal to 14 and x is equal to minus 61 upon 4. You got the answer. Next example, x square minus 8x minus 1280. Similarly, we will write down, when I add, I need to get minus 8. When I multiply, I need to get minus 1280. So as usual, 1280 we will prime factorize 2 times, 640 times, 2 times, 320 times, 2 times, 160 times, 2 times, 80 times, 2, 40, 2, 20, 5, 4, 2 and 2. So I can write 1280 as 2 power 7 into 10. 2 power 7 into 10. That I can write it as 2 power 7 into 2 into 5. So in total 1280 can be written as 2 into 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 5. So now we need to take the probability in such a way that it comes 8. So if I take 2 and the other things, definitely it is going to be a very, very large number. Ruled out. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into this thing will never become 8 when I add. So 8 and other things 10, 20, 60. No. Let us take in 32. Let us consider 32. And 5 into 2 is 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 2s are 40. Yes. We can take the remaining. I can take 32 and 40. You check again. 32 into 40 will be 1280. So yes, I got my factors 32 and 40. So the equation will become x square minus 40x plus 32x minus 1280. So x common, x minus 40 into 40 plus 32. So x plus 32 and x minus 40. This is my answer. So x is equal to minus 32 and x equal to 40 is the solution of the quadratic equation. Next question. Solve the equation x square plus 15x minus 3250. Same way, when I add, I need to get 15. When I multiply, I need to get minus 250. Factorizing 3250 to 5 times 650, 5 times 130, 5 times 26, 2 times 13. And we can stop. So 3250 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 13. Now let us work out the factors. 2 and this huge number. No, it will not add up to 15. Next, 10 and these numbers. No. 25 into 2 is 50. 50 and 5 into 13 is 65. Yes, this is possible. Yes, this is possible. So I can take this number and this number. This is 65 and this becomes 50. 65 minus 50 is 15. And always remember, you can do in any possible way. 26, 13 into 2 is 26. 26 and 125. This is also a factor. You can split it into 26 into 125. 26 into 125 is also 3250 only. So by using this trial and error method, within 1 or 2 steps, you will be able to get it. It is not necessary to go in the order wise. You can jumble it and you can try it out for the different factors. So the equation will become x square plus 65x minus 50x minus 3250 x into x plus 65. Same copied on x plus 65. This becomes minus 50. So x plus 65 into x minus 50 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 65. X is equal to 50. So hope you have understood the shortcut method in order to solve the quadratic equations. If you have not yet subscribed to our Easy Exam Academy channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. If you have any doubts, please feel free to put in the comment section. We will get back to you. Thank you.